So what I'm going to be doing is taking these 2 parts resin, A and B, mixing them up in this cup. Because I'm having trouble getting complete registration out of the figure because some air gets trapped, I'll dab some resin on the antennas, some into the face, some into the hands, probably do the hands on this side and maybe the antennas. Stick the wire into position. Once that's done, I'll close the whole mold up, hold it together with the quick grip clamps, pour the rest of the resin in, kind of do a bit of a slushing around, and then finish it off with what I've got left in the cup. And hopefully I can do all of that before the stuff kicks off, because the stuff kicks off really fast, because I'm impatient. Alright, so I guess I'll do this. Antenna wire. Here. Get it. I'm sort of tilting them all a little bit to help get the air out as best I can. That's what I'm just doing to try and get as a bit of coating in there as I can. That's the last of it. Do some tapping to get the air bubbles out best we can. And it's probably going to take longer to kick off. I always think it's going to go faster than it does, but when it goes, that's it. You don't have much choice in it.
How will you know when it's gone?
Oh, you'll know. It'll go from translucent to solid. Like all of a sudden you'll start seeing like little smoky swirls in it, and then it'll just go. It'll like freeze completely. It'll be pretty neat. Well, I don't know, fairly neat.
And so it takes longer to set up when it's not as hot outside, but putting a fan on it wouldn't help, right?
No, because the fan, fans only cool you because you sweat. It doesn't sweat. Well, I guess they remove the heat from something too, like in a computer, but I don't.
But this is more of a chemical reaction.
This is more of a chemical reaction. Here we go.
Ooh, I can see it. Wow. That happened really fast.
Yeah.
So how will you know when it's ready to unmold?
I'm going to give it about 6 minutes. So okay. I'm going to go set my egg timer. So it's been 6 minutes, which is a sort of arbitrary time. It's not really based on, it's just sort of based on doing it a bunch of times. And I started at 10, and then I got tired of waiting. So I thought maybe 8. And that worked for a while. I was like, I think 6. So what I do after that is I push the silicone out of the wood. The wood is really just there to hold the silicone in shape because the silicone is kind of soft. There. Come on, you get. There he is.
Wow. I'm a robot.
He needs a little cleanup with an X-Acto knife.